Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be my March monthly haul. As most of you know, I am on a low buy for the year of 2019, and I am helping to keep myself accountable by doing a monthly haul showing you everything that I got and seeing whether or not I stuck to my low buy. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing I got in March was the Sugar Pill and Little Twin Stars makeup collection. This I got from Ulta for $48, and it's a really cute collection that has 2 liquid lipsticks, an eyeshadow palette, and a makeup bag, and this cute collectible box. I've actually used the products quite a bit, and I did a fun look with it that I posted on Instagram. Let me just show you the inside of the palette if you were curious. It has these 6 colors right here, super cute. So total right now is at $48. The next purchase was my ColourPop purchase. I did a video with these items doing a first impressions. It was the Just My Luck palette, which was $12. And it is this all green palette. And then the Graceland white eyeliner, which was $8. So I really like both of these items, but if you want to see my first impressions, I will put it up here. I did a full look with this palette, and I've used this eyeliner in quite a few looks because I really like it. With the $12 palette and the $8 eyeliner, that puts my total for the month up to $68. Next, I placed an order on Ulta for one of their 21 Days of Beauty hot buys. It was on the 17th, the first day of the 21 Days of Beauty. I got 2 Persona liquid lipsticks. I got the shade OG and the shade Holy Grail, so this nude and this red. I am wearing OG today, topped with a gloss from Wet n Wild. I just wanted to make it a little bit peachier and glossier. So I really like the formula of these lipsticks. They're a little bit thinner and waterier than I typically go for. Like, they're not a moussey consistency, but they're not drying or uncomfortable, surprisingly, so they're really nice. And they were on sale for $11.20 each, so that puts my total for the month at $90.40. On the 25th of March, I placed an order on Macy's because they were having a sale where it was 30% off everything, 15% off beauty. I did also get some items that I'm going to show in another haul, but this is the makeup item that I got. I got the Dior Luminizer in the shade 06. So it is like a iridescent, they call it a holographic highlighter, but it's an iridescent shade. It's really pretty, and I'm wearing it on my cheekbones today. I really like it. Dior, the Nude Air Luminizer in 001 is my favorite highlight of all time, so I wanted to try another color to make sure it's the formula and not just the color, and yeah, I'm still obsessed. So this I got on sale for $40.80. It's normally $48, so I did save quite a bit, and that puts my total at $131.20 for the month. The 29th is where I blew my budget. I knew I was blowing my budget when I went shopping, but I didn't care. And I didn't blow it by that much, so I don't feel that bad. I decided to go on a mini shopping spree at Walmart because they had so many new drugstore cosmetics that got me really excited. At my local store, they had redone the whole beauty section. It was all revamped and it was really exciting, so I just went crazy and got quite a few items and blasted my budget a little bit. But let's just go through what I got on the 29th. So first I got the Maybelline City Bronzer. This is the shade 100. It is just a matte powder bronzer. It's what I'm wearing on my face today, and I think it's a nice sun-kissed look. It's not too orangey, and I think it looks really natural for my skin tone. So I really like this bronzer, and it was $7.94. Then I decided to get the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I got the shade 110 Nude Ivory. It is what I am wearing under my eyes and on my blemishes today. It's the shade that it's a little light, but I can still make it work for anything that needs concealing. And I actually really enjoy this. It has a regular sized doe foot, not like a giant doe foot, and it was only $7.97 for this tube of concealer. So Walmart has the greatest prices. Then I got a foundation. I got the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 150 Creme Brulee, and this foundation, I have tried it twice so far, is phenomenal. It is blowing my mind how amazing it makes my skin look. I am wearing it right now, and it gives a nice like fuller medium coverage while still looking natural and healthy and like skin. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I can't say enough good things about it. And it was only $8.97 for this at my local Walmart. I've been really into cream and liquid products lately, so I decided to try Neutrogena's Glow On Liquid Highlighter in Moonlight Galaxy. I did put this all over my face before I topped the cheekbones with the Dior, so the glow you see everywhere is this guy, and it's really, really beautiful. And they do have other shades, so if you're a darker skin tone than me, they do have other options. And it was $7.37 for this highlight from Neutrogena. The last thing I got on my crazy Walmart shopping spree was a lipstick from Almay. This is the Lip Vibes lipstick in 220 Live Happy. It's this orangey shade right here. It's the perfect shade for getting me in the spring and summer mood, and I'm super excited about it. And it's a really comfortable cream formula. I really enjoy it, and the packaging is so fun and cute, and it was only $5.97 for this lipstick. So for all of those items I got at Walmart, I spent $38.22, which I don't think is bad at all, but again, it did bust my budget, so that put me at a total of $169.42 for the month, and that put me over by a total of $19.42. I haven't been doing where I give and take from the previous month's budget if I go over or if I go under. I haven't really been caring about that, but if I had, I was way under last month, so that $19.42 probably would have been covered by that, but I'm not going to take away from next month either. I'm really happy with all my purchases, and I feel like even though I did bust my budget and go on that little shopping spree at Walmart, I still had more control and bought a lot less than I normally would if I wasn't on a low buy. I still feel like keeping in mind that I have this budget saved me from buying so much during the 21 Days of Beauty besides these two lipsticks. Like, this is the only thing I bought from the 21 Days of Beauty, and it saved me from like going crazy over the cute ColourPop spring line and the Villains collection and all these launches. So even though I busted my budget, I still feel kind of good about only going $19 over with all the temptation that was going on in March. Let me know how you guys are doing on your low buys or no buys down in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you guys are doing. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!